Hello, welcome to Anime Mystics. I'm Roman, and tonight I'm actually doing an unboxing. This is actually the first unboxing I've done in a while that was not Toriba related. This is just a couple of figures. I actually have a ton of pre-orders. These two I had paid for a few months ago, but I was having them hold on to them until I paid for this other one that was coming out soon. But then that got pushed back a couple months, so I just told them to send it. Although from now on, I'm probably just going to go down to the store and pick them up because the shipping for this was insane. So I would rather spend the money on gas to go down to the store and pick it up than the money to ship it, because it was a lot more. It actually would have cost about the same. Anyway, it is a pretty big box. Oh. Yeah. That's just two figures. Oh god, I can't even imagine how much it would have been if I actually had the third one. I actually have a ton, like I said, of pre-orders from this place. I have, let's see, 1, 5, 7, 9, 12. I have 31 pre-orders from this store. All but one of them is a figure. All but one of them are figures. You'll just have to see which ones when I get them. Anyway, let's open this up. One of them is going to be a spoiler figure for Belle. Like, it's not for her, but she'll see it, and yeah, you'll get what I mean. Okay. I got the invoices. Okay, so the first one, the box is huge. She is a little small, but maybe it's just because it just looks a little small. Anyway, it is the Jean Alter Santa Lily figure. Now this I had paid for back in February. Like I said, I just had them hold on to it because I wanted to have another figure come with it. But it's been a while, so I just wanted to have it come in. Let's open this up, put her together. There'll probably be a cut here as I do that because I don't want to bore you all. Okay. So that took a while, but she's done. Let's hope that this little piece stays on. Okay, so there she is. It's pretty cool. Detail is really nice. I also like the this little guy. That's funny. A little, like, I guess, elf Giles. Is that his name? Giles Del Rey. Something Del Rey. I can't remember. I think that's it. I think it's Giles. Anyway, Santa Lily. Jean Alter. I have Adult Jean coming too from Good Smile Company. I have pre-orders from them as well. Let me see. I have 25. Most of the well, actually, I should say a lot of the ones there. Not most of them, but more of them are Nendoroids. and these are actually less expensive than the ones at Toys Logic, like a little over 100 or so. The ones at Toys Logic are insane. Anyway, you get into the next one. Oh god. This guy is so big they had to put him in his own box. Okay, where's my knife? There it is. There we go. Okay. They sent me the wrong figure. Yeah, they sent me the wrong figure. So I'm going to have to contact them and have them send me the right one. Or I don't know. See what's going to happen. But I guess I'll just say which one it was. I had ordered a Katakuri figure that I had paid for. But that is not what they sent me. They sent me I mean, it's still pretty cool. If they ran out, then I guess they'll have me send this back, or they'll just put the money towards another figure. How much was this guy? I can't remember how much he was. But I guess we'll see. They'll probably ask me to send this one back because, again, it's not the one I ordered. And then they gotta send me the other one. But the one they did send to me, again, pretty cool still, is a Digimon Adventure Angelwoman. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't watch Digimon. But that's the one they sent me. But the one they should have sent me, I got a picture of it, so let me put it up here. Where are you? Pre-order, there you go. Did I take a picture? I thought I saved a picture of it. I can get it really quick. Let's see. Shipped order. One Piece. There he is. Okay, he was $226. So let me get this up here. Yeah. So this is the one that I was supposed to get. I mean, that's pretty awesome looking. But that is not what they sent me. So again, I'll have to contact them, see what's going on. Whether they gave someone else my figure and they sent me theirs by mistake, or if it's still in the back of their warehouse. Hopefully it's still there and I can get it, but if not, how much was this one? Let me see. Figures. This. Where's Digimon? Do they not have Digimon on here? I guess it was the only one that was available. Let me see. Digimon. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one that they sent me. Oh, okay, it's still up. So yeah, this is the one that they sent me. Again, it's still pretty cool. I would keep it, but I want my Katakuri. So unless if they still have it, I want it. Looks like it. Ooh, it's got a light up stand as well. That's even better. But again, I want my Katakuri. So we're gonna have to see what is going on with that. There we go. So I guess for now I got one of the figures that I ordered. The other one, I'll have to contact them. I'll do another video with that one if they send it to me, and see what they'll most likely. They'll definitely tell me to send this back if they have it. So let me just close this back up for now. Man, he's still probably going to come in a box like that too. But I guess that's it for now. A little disappointed, but again, see what happens, and I'll make another video whenever I get either the one that I want, or I'll just open this one if they tell me to keep it instead, because they don't have the one that I ordered. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. The Santa Lily's still really cool. She's gonna go in my case with the rest of the Fate figures. So gotta go make space for her now. So until the next time, bye.